I'm not a big fan of bamboo. Yes, I'm not a big fan of bamboo. I like a Zen garden, but in a place like this where you use a bamboo, as you can see the condition of the garden here, the bamboo will emit an acid for a reason none of the plants will grow around it. And this becomes a house for a lot of pests, especially for bandicoots. And to eat the rats, then you'll have also the snakes coming. Bamboo is good. It's the fastest growing grass. It signifies prosperity. So in Vastu, there is a belief that bamboo brings a lot of good luck. But bamboo, there is a certain way to use it. If you are using a bamboo in a garden, it should be having enough and around that space with some pebble and chips and make it a Zen garden. In this condition, the compound wall will definitely have a damage because of the bamboo, and the bamboo will not allow any other plants to grow around it, and eventually it becomes all Zen, it will be all dry. So this is not accepted in a landscape garden unless that is an intent to achieve as a design.